show you this swallow lock. It's an absolute beast. It's made of, well, it's a bit rusty. Could do with some cleaning up, I think. It's made of iron, I think. It's a 10mm shackle. It weighs £1 12 ounces. It literally is a monster. I picked it before. Not many times, to be honest. It's not a very difficult pick. I actually think you could shim that core, because I don't think there's anything in there. Yeah, you could easily shim that core, so get my pick right in. If I had a shim, which I don't. But anyway, thought I'd just try and pick it. Okay. So the pins are all stiff in here. Really want some sort of cleaning up. Maybe I'll get round to it one day. But it literally is an absolute lump of a lock. Thought it had gone then. See, the whole core is actually moving here. Got a bloody great big gap down there now. You almost got to line the core up as well as pick it. If the core goes to one side, it doesn't move. There we go. Get the pick out. That's got it. Really got to put some torch on the register. Oh, open that. It's rusty. It's probably shimmerable down in there as well. The biggest problem with it is actually trying to get the bloody thing closed, because the only way I can close it is if I... Oh, Jesus. It is an absolute beast. Anyway, guys, hope you like that. Thanks for watching.